University of Michigan researchers have saved the life of an 18-month-old boy after using a 3D printer to create a custom-made, life-saving implant.
He said that he would never leave the hospital, and this morning a Youngstown toddler is a miracle, really a medical first.
18-month-old Kaiba Gionfriddo suffered from a rare disorder in which an airway in his lungs would collapse when he exhaled, causing him to virtually stop breathing almost every day. But using a CT scanner to create a 3D blueprint, researchers were able to craft a custom splint to hold the airways open and save little Kaiba's life. USA Today explains the flexible splint is crafted from the same materials as dissolvable stitches and will grow with Kaiba until completely absorbed into the body. Doctors hope by then his own tissue will be sturdy enough to keep the airway open. Gizmodo notes 3D printing technology has had positive effects in medicine before, but this is the first time it has been successfully used as a treatment. It's an amazing development for the 1 in 22,000 children who suffer from the same disorder as Kaiba. With the help of this new technology, they all might be able to breathe a sigh of relief. For Newsy, I'm Micah Sargent, multiple sources, a broader view.